Greetings to all. My name is Manasa. I am from grade 5.
Myself Pradikshashri. I am from grade 4.
Today we are celebrating our World Ozone Day on 16th September. A day to acknowledge the significance of the ozone layer and our collective responsibility to protect it. The ozone layer is a fragile shield of gas safeguard life on the earth by absorbing harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. However, human activities such as release chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and other ozone depleting substances have threatened and integrity. In 1987, the Montreal Protocol, an international treaty, was signed to phase out this harmful substance.
Thanks to global cooperation and concerted efforts, we have made significant progress in ozone layer recovery. But our work is far from over. Climate change, pollution, and unsustainable practices continue to pose threats. It's crucial. We remain vigilant and committed to reducing emissions and transitioning to eco-friendly technologies, promoting sustainable practices and conscious consumption, supporting research and innovation in ozone layer protection. Let us reiterate our pledge to preserve the ozone layer for future generations. Together, we can ensure a healthier planet and a brighter future.
Earth without ozone is like a house without rooftop. Save ozone layer. Thank you.